Good morning Iloilo City, maayong aga, syudad sang pagpalangga. Once again, hello world, hello Philippines. Good morning po guys, nandito po tayo exercise park, still here at Esplanade 3. Medyo sweaty na tayo guys, mainit na. Guys, so try po natin to guys ha, try natin. Okay guys, no? There's a certain portion here po guys, so maka-exercise po tayo. Alright. And also we have these guys here at Esplanade 3. Okay. Yan po guys. And also this po guys Yan. And also have these guys Yan. Healthy lifestyle po. Healthy lifestyle. Okay guys, so healthy lifestyle po. Yan. So closer to nature pa po, mangroves. But guys, last time we were here po, it was raining. Punta po tayo doon. Wow, ang ganda po guys. As you can see po guys, Tumon Creek. Wow. And Iloilo River over there guys Yan. Napakalinis po dito guys. Everyday po may nagme-maintain. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. See you on the next episode. Napakalinis po dito guys. Napakalinis. So, good morning.